I'm JD Schmid with Big Tex Trailers.
And I'm Brant Combs with Ram Trucks.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to properly hook up a gooseneck trailer.
The first thing that you'll want to do is make sure that your truck is equipped with a Gooseneck prep package. That's a place to install the ball, safety chains, as well as the trailer wiring inside the bed of your truck.
When the truck is ready, you want to make sure the trailer is secure. That means your wheel chucks are in place so the trailer won't move, and that you raise the jack enough that the coupler clears the tailgate in the lowered position.
Once you hop in the truck, press the button to lower the tailgate. Then press bed lowering mode that will lower the bed with air suspension a few inches. Once the truck is in reverse, you can back up using your cargo view camera with dynamic grid lines to make sure that you're backing up at the perfect angle. As you get closer, use the zoom function to make sure that the coupler is aligned perfectly with the ball. Then hit the bed lowering mode again to raise the rear of the truck back up inside of the coupler.
Once the ball and coupler are engaged, then you can use the pin to lock it down. Attach your safety chains, your breakaway cable, and of course, the wiring from the trailer to the truck. After that's complete, you can close the tailgate and then crank the jack to make sure it's all the way up and out of the way.
Then press the hazard button in the truck to check your trailer lights, remove chocks, and you should be good to go. Once you're headed down the road, don't forget to set your trailer gain.
That's a look at how to properly hook up a gooseneck trailer.